Let's talk about an AI IPO from Japan that completely breaks the mold.
So here's the big question. What if a company's greatest strength is also its biggest weakness?
We're digging into Hutzper Inc. They hit the Tokyo Stock Exchange with a very different model.
Now, when you hear AI IPO, you're probably thinking scalable software, right? Zero cost to add users.
Well, Hutzper is the exact opposite. They're what you'd call a physical AI integrator.
They work in the gemba, the actual, messy, real-world factory floor. It's tough stuff.
So it's a total clash of models, pure software scaling versus hands-on physical work.
But here's the surprise. A whopping 80% of their revenue is stable and recurring.
And how do they pull that off? With a huge team, over 60% of their people are engineers. Which, makes you wonder, why go public with only about $4 million in revenue?
It turns out it wasn't really about the money. It was about gaining social credibility.
In Japan, being publicly listed is like a golden ticket. It opens doors with huge traditional companies.
This whole strategy gives them a massive advantage, but it also creates a major roadblock.
Their mode is a full one-stop service. They handle everything from installing cameras to building the AI.
This gritty, hands-on work is something pure software companies just can't compete with. And the demand is huge. Japan's working-age population is projected to drop by 40%.
Okay, but here's the ceiling. Growth is completely tied to how many skilled engineers they can hire.
And that creates big risks. Finding engineers, client delays, and even legal issues.
So with all that in mind, who is this kind of unconventional company actually for?
It's for an investor who values high barriers to entry way more than the dream of infinite scalability. Think of it like this. You're not betting on flying cars. You're betting on the crew that keeps the bridges from collapsing.
Hutzper is a grounded AI stock. They solve real-world problems with real physical solutions.
So here's the final question. Can that social credibility truly overcome the physical bottleneck?